Pioneering the future of anti-aging with Elysium Health. Revolutionary anti-aging supplements with Elysium Health. No one wants to admit it, but aging happens to everyone. As we grow older, our bodies undergo changes that affect our appearance, strength, mental acuity, and overall health. Fortunately, we are not powerless in the face of aging. With advances in science and nutrition, we can now take steps to slow down the aging process and maintain our young, vibrant selves. In this blog post, we will be introducing you to Elysium Health, a brilliant brand that is pioneering the future of anti-aging with their amazing range of products. The experts at Elysium Health have a keen understanding of cellular aging, brain aging, metabolic aging, and immune aging, and they have developed an incredible range of supplements that target these specific areas. With more than 25 internationally renowned scientific advisors, including 8 Nobel Prize-winning scientists, they are continuously working with the world's leading scientists and clinicians to develop their products. If you're looking for a comprehensive and hassle-free way to address aging-related issues, Elysium Health has got you covered with their different plans. You can opt for their annual plan, semi-annual plan, or monthly plan, depending on your specific needs and budget. They also have single bottles and the Healthy Aging Starter Pack to get you started. Apart from their supplements, Elysium Health has also developed the Index for biological age. This is a revolutionary at-home biological aging test that measures 10 different aspects of aging using the latest technology in the science of epigenetics. With the Index, you can accurately measure your body's biological age and take appropriate steps to maintain your good health. Elysium Health has created an excellent lineup of supplements that are specifically designed to combat the effects of aging. Their flagship product, Basis, is a revolutionary daily supplement that contains 2 key ingredients, nicotinamide riboside, NR, and pterostilbene, that boost cellular energy levels and promote healthy aging. Another product in their lineup is Matter, a supplement that addresses the issue of cellular health, which is often compromised with age. Matter contains a proprietary blend of organic, bioavailable minerals that help support a healthy metabolism and improve overall health. Elysium Health's Defend is an immune-boosting supplement that helps in fighting infections and diseases by improving immunity. Apart from these, they have several other supplements, each designed to target specific aspects of the aging process. Aging might be inevitable, but it doesn't mean that we have to give up on our health, wellness, and quality of life. With Elysium Health, you can take control of your aging process and maintain your youthful vigor no matter your age. Their supplements and index test are scientifically developed, and their results are proven. So what are you waiting for? Try Elysium Health today and feel the difference in your body and mind.